There he is. Come on. Oh yeah. Welcome to another video of Outdoors with Dallas. We've come to the river and we're gonna try to get some fish at the river. So let's go down here. There's a ton of people here. So we're just go down here and see what's happening.
See if we can wedge us in somewhere.
Yeah, see if we can, wedge in somewhere and try to catch some fish. So let's go see what's up. I don't know if I've ever seen it this low. All right, we made it. We got another one. I'm catching them. Can you help me, girl? Yeah. All right, guys. So we're not having any luck. We showed up here. People had stringers full of fish, and I think we showed up too late because they're all leaving. I think they quit biting right when we showed up. So we're gonna go to another spot down the river and try to catch some sand bass at a different location. So we'll see if they're biting. They might have just quit. They might have shut off right when we showed up because people have buckets full, stringers full, and we ain't got nothing. So, oh, and I meant to tell you that I've fallen off this rock right here into the water. It was last year or 2 years ago. Water was higher. Yeah, the water was higher, and it had just went down. They had just quit running water, and so it was still slick right here. And I was up here, and I stepped down about right here, and the water level was like right here, and I just
I wish you had a GoPro then.
Oh my gosh, I slid all the way down into the water. It's about chest high right here, and tore up my shin, and that water was cold, took my breath away. Yeah, it was dangerous. The water was running over the rocks at the dam right there, and it was scary for a second, but I made it out. Made it out unscathed. Well, my shin did not make it out unscathed, but everything else was fine. And I saved my fishing pole, so. Alright guys, we made it down here. We're walking in down the trail. We questioned whether we want to come down here or not because we wore shorts and tennis shoes. We were worried about ticks, but the trail's pretty beaten down pretty good, so I think we'll be all right. But last time we came down here late in the spring, we got seed ticks all over us. But that's part of it. So when we get down here, we're gonna try to get to this where this creek goes in, like a little creek, and it creates a little eddy. And if you can get in there, if you're the first one here and you can get to that spot, you can just tear them up because they're just swimming around that little eddy, and that's where we like to go. So that's where we're gonna try to get when we get down there. So it's about a, I don't know, half a mile walk. Yeah, it's a good walk down here. So we normally don't keep any fish when we walk down here because you got to carry them all the way back, and it's a long walk, so your arm starts burning. So we'll probably just, if we catch any, we'll just let them go here. It's just fun to come down here. So it's a great location to catch spoonbill too, and I definitely is not carrying that thing all the way back unless we bring a wagon or something. But all right, we'll get down here and try to start catching some fish.
Dog paws? They look kind of like dog paws.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a dog.
Okay.
We didn't get down there. Yeah, so nobody was in our spot over here, but
So low.
this is the little eddy I was talking about. She's hung up. But the water is so low, and it's not flowing. So I don't know. it's not really creating an eddy. It's just kind of all the water just kind of sitting here. So she got a stick bass,
A big one.
big one. So we'll stay here, see if we can catch a fish. If not, we'll move on to another spot. I'm getting wet. I thought it was going to be a crappie too. Alright guys, well, that wasn't too adventurous. 3 fish is all we, well no, caught 2, missed 1. But we're out here in the outdoors, so it's better than nothing. Now we got a nice little trail walk back. So we'll be back tonight. So it's yeah, hopefully with some fish. So it's a whole day of fishing, basically. For 3 fish. But we'll go back to the dam tonight and see if maybe they'll start running some water. You know, hopefully they need to create some electricity or something, and maybe the fish will start biting if they start running some water. So we'll try again this evening just before dark. We're gonna go home and get ready for the work week and then come back. All right guys, we made it back out here, and I'm fishing the little Bobby Garland baby shad. I might try to catch some crappie, but still nobody's catching anything, so let's just give it a shot. Big old fish jump right there. Oh, mom's got a fighter. There we go. Big one too. What'd I tell you about grabbing your pole right there again? Just grab your whole hand, there you go. Just grab him like a sandwich. He's a big one. Yeah. Hang on, let me take your picture. Just throw him in there, shoot. He's gonna eat one of them shad right there. Right? Big fish! Alright. We got one down. What'd you catch him on?
This.
Alright. Little white grub. Let's catch another one. Here we go.
Alright, that was a good sign.
Good sign. Maybe they'll start biting. I'm gonna show you guys some shad pulled up right here on these rocks.
Just swirling.
I don't know if you can see them or not, but they're just in there swirling. Kind of neat. I hope you can see it on camera.
Here, hold on. Oh, they're attacking it.
There it. Just all over right here. If I could get a net in there and catch some catfish bait, I would.
Look at him.
Pretty awesome. There he is. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, he caught it on the fall. Oh yeah. I'm about to drop him. Oh, I dropped him. All right. Male. Let's let him go here.
Let him eat those shad.
Yeah, let him. Aim him right towards those shit. Oh gosh, swim the other way. Oh, he went over there. He went right over there.
He did. He made him stand it.
Oh, that's funny.
Look, now they're all out there like, ah.
That's hilarious. All right, maybe they'll start biting now. Mom got hooked up on easy. You got like 4-pound line. Easy. Ooh, let me go get it. Don't grab it. There you go. Hold it right there. You're gonna fall in. Don't grab the pole up there. She broke my other pole, grabbing it at the top. There you go. All right, number 3 for the day. Yeah. Glad we're not eating those for dinner. We'd be hungry. Catch another one. Alright guys, that's today's video. We didn't slay them, but we caught a few. Until next time, get outdoors, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.